Earlier on in my own life and my career as well that I chose, taking care of your mental health is so important, and I wish I would have focused on that a lot sooner. Not saying it's just out of control now, but I spent so many years just like kind of looking down on therapy and reaching out to different people and being able to vocalize those things because I was raised in a culture that said you cannot vocalize your emotions. You can't sit down and say what's going on with you. You're supposed to keep all those things to yourself. And obviously, that's not the right way to live. And that's how I was living at that time period. So if I was able to go back to younger Breon, I would say, hey, it's not wrong for you to have emotions and not wrong for you to want to talk about these things. And if honestly, a lot of people around me, including myself, if we would have just had that prior knowledge, we would probably be in a better position than we are right now. Not saying it's just out of control, but we would have probably been set up a lot more for success where we're not trying to go back and fix things that's broken.